What is the Libertarian Party's view on healthcare? Have you ever wondered how the Libertarian Party approaches healthcare? Their perspective is quite distinct and rooted in their core beliefs about individual freedom and limited government. The Libertarian Party advocates for a free market healthcare system. This means they support medical services, providers, and products being available without government restrictions or mandates. Individuals have the freedom to choose their health insurance, health care providers, and treatments. This includes decisions about their own medical care and even end-of-life choices. The party strongly opposes government mandates that requiring people to buy specific insurance policies. They also reject restrictions on access to medical treatments, such as vaccines. One of their key proposals is to allow individuals to purchase health insurance across state lines. This would increase competition and give people more choices. According to the Libertarian Party, government involvement in healthcare drives up costs and limits innovation. They argue that regulatory agencies, like the Food and Drug Administration, and licensing monopolies granted to medical associations, create barriers that hurt consumers. The party calls for deregulation and transparency in healthcare markets. They believe this would reduce costs and break up monopolies on hospitals, clinics, and insurance providers. From their viewpoint, healthcare should function like any other market. Competition and consumer choice are seen as the best ways to improve quality and lower prices. The Libertarian Party believes individuals and private voluntary groups, rather than the government, should handle retirement and income security, including healthcare coverage. They view government programs like Social Security and mandated insurance as unnecessary. In practical terms, this means there would be no government mandates on health insurance purchases or specific treatments. The Libertarian Party seeks to eliminate government licensing monopolies and regulatory barriers that limit competition. They want healthcare providers and products to compete openly in the market, allowing individuals to decide their healthcare needs and spending. Additionally, they advocate for private charity and voluntary efforts to address the needs of the poor instead of relying on government welfare programs. Overall, the Libertarian Party's view on healthcare centers on maximizing individual liberty and minimizing government intervention. They trust that free markets will deliver affordable, accessible, and high-quality healthcare.